Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Today I am going to discuss in exercise 7.3 question number 11. In how many ways can the letter of the word permutation be arranged if the first subdivision words start with P and end with S? Second, vowels are all together. Third subdivision is there are always 4 letters between P and S. Right? Now I am going to start with the first subdivision. Listen carefully, children. First subdivision. See, in the word permutation, the word permutation, there are how many letters you have to count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 letters. There are 12 letters of which letter is repeated twice? T, right? Of which T is repeated twice. T is repeated twice. They said the first letter should be P in between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The last letter is S. So, in between 10 places are there. It can be arranged in 10 factorial divided by 2 factorial because T is repeated twice, right? Now, when P is fixed in the first position, when P is fixed in the beginning, and S is in the end. The remaining 10 letters in 10 places. The remaining 10 letters in 10 places. 10 places. It can be done in 10 factorial divided by 2 factorial because T is repeated twice. That reason you should write it in the right side. Now, the required number of words equal to 10. You have to write the factorial in the reverse order. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3 into 2 factorial divided by 2 factorial. 2 factorial cancel. So, you are getting the result as 90 into 56 into 30 into 12. Then you have to multiply. You will arrive the result as 1814400. Right, you have to check your answer. 1814400. The next subdivision is what? Vowels are together. How many vowels are there in the word permutation? E, U, A, I, O. 5 letters are there, right? All the 5 vowels are there in the permutation. So there are second subdivision. There are 5 vowels. There are 5 vowels and 7 consonants. 7 consonant. C-O-N-S-O. Sorry. 7 consonant. C-O-N-S-O-N-A-N-T-S. 7 consonant. Vowels are together. Vowels are together. Vowels are together. That is given. Vowels are together. 7 consonant vowels are together and 7 consonant N-A-N-T-S consonant, and a group of vowels can be group of vowels can be arranged in the vowels 5 thing. You should make it as a single unit. So single unit means 1 plus 7. It can be arranged in 8 factorial divided by 2 factorial. Here also T is repeated twice. Got it, children? 5 vowels you should consider as a single unit. So single unit plus 7 consonant, that can be arranged in 8 factorial divided by 2 factorial. 5 vowels can be 5 vowels can reshuffle among themselves, can reshuffle S-H-U-F-F-L-E, reshuffle among themselves. It is a single unit, but it can change the places, right? In 5 factorial. Therefore, the required number of words equal to 8 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 5 factorial. Did you understand, children? Yeah. Now, 8 into 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 5 factorial. Then 56 into 30 into 12 into 5 fours are 20 into 6 into 1. 5 factorial can be written as 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. Finally, you arrive the result as what? 20160 into 120 equal to 2419 200. You have to check the calculation, children, right? Now, I'm going to move to the next one. It's very interesting. Third subdivision. What it is given in the third subdivision, you see, P and X, P and S are fixed. In between P and 4 words, 4 letters are there, right? See here, exactly 4 letters should occur between P and S. Exactly 4 letters should occur between P and S. That means totally how many letters are there? 6, right? P and S is fixed in between 4 letters, right? For example, P is in the first position, S in the sixth position. So 1, 2, 3, 4, right? See here, P and S, first 6 in between 4 letters. Or P in the second position, S in the 7th position, because totally we had 12 positions, right? The word, it contains 12 letters, so 12 positions we had. P and S can occupy, P and S can occupy first and sixth place, first and sixth places, or second and seventh places, or third and eighth places, then or fourth and ninth places, right? 5 and 10th places, or 5th and 10th place, or 6th and 11th place, or 7th and 12th places. These are the possibilities. S and P and S can occupy first. This is one type. It can be interchanged. S should be in the first, P should be in the sixth. S should be in the second, P should be in the seventh. Like that, twice times you will arrive, right? See here. So, P and S can be placed in, how many ways, children? See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 ways. Moreover, P and S can interchange. Got it? P and S can interchange. I gave an example. S will come to the first position, P will move to the sixth position. They didn't say P should be the first and S should be the last. They said in between P and S, 4 letters. That is the condition. So, P and S can interchange their position among themselves. Interchange their positions among themselves. The remaining 4 places can be occupied by remaining 10 letters, right? The remaining 10 places, got it? The remaining 10 places The remaining 10 places can be filled with the remaining remaining 10 places can be filled with remaining 10 letters. Remaining 10 letters in 10 factorial divided by 2 factorial. Right? Because T is repeated twice. T is repeated twice. Is repeated twice. Therefore, the required number of words equal to the required number of words equal to 2 into 7. Here for this I gave an example. P in the first position, S in the last 6th position, or S in the first position, P in the 6th position. So that 2 times 7, 7 ways are there. So 2 times 7 into 10 factorial divided by 2 factorial, which is equal to 2 into 7 into 10 factorial divided by 2 into 1, which is equal to 7 into 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 is equal to answer I am going to give. You have to check the thing, right? Which is equal to 25401600. Got it, children? Once again I am going to repeat the third subdivision alone. They said exactly 4 letters should occur between P and S, right? They didn't say before P and after S the letters should not be occur. They said 4 letters should occur between P and S. So P and S, P can occupy first position and S can occupy 6th place, or S will come under first and P will move to the 6th. The same way these 2 letters are getting 2 ways, right? 2 times, right? P first, P 6th, or S first, S 6th, right? Like that. So how many times P and S can occupy? Again I am repeating the statement. You people listen carefully, children. P and S can occupy first 6th, or second and 7th place, or third and 8th place, or 4th and 9th place, or 5th and 10th place, or 6th and 11th place, or 7th and 12th place, right? And vice versa. S and P, first 6th, second and 7th, S and P, right? S first and 6th, second and 7th, third and 8th. So you are getting twice times. It can be placed in 7 ways, that too 2 times. That's why I put 2 into 7. The remaining 10 letters, the remaining 10 places can be filled with remaining 10 letters in 10 factorial divided by 2 factorial, because T is repeated twice. Got it, children? So, the required number of words equal to 2 into 7 into 10 factorial divided by 2 factorial. You will arrive the result as 25401600. Got it, children? Thank you, children.